Hey everyone. I just received in the mail my first comic from ComicsGate. This is Nasser Rabadi's first comic book called Stardust. And I just wanted to do an unboxing and, let's take a look at it together, shall we? The box itself came in pretty good shape. I think Nasser said that he used Gemini packaging for the book. The box itself came a little bent, but I don't think it damaged the comic inside. I hope it didn't. Anyway, I'm assuming it didn't, because Nasser's pretty responsible. Let's see. How do you open this? Slicey dicey. Let's see here. Let's just see what young Nassar has given us today. That there. Okay. Let's see. Open it like that. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Gemini. Comic supplies. Ooh, very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, it's in beautiful condition. Signed by Nasser, right there. And with the cover and art by Langley. I don't know his first name, unfortunately. But his art is very nice. Very detailed. Very beautiful. So, this is Stardust by Nasser Rabadi and Langley and Turnage. I don't believe you can buy it anymore. It was a one-shot on Indiegogo a few months ago, and now it is gone forever. This is the only printing he's done, and I think he printed. I'm trying to remember, maybe 3,000. I think, I don't know. It's a very small print run. And actually, on eBay, there was a guy selling it for $50, brand new. You know, he bought it on Indiegogo, and then he actually did resell it for $50. And then I saw him posting another copy of it, selling the new copy for $150. So I think this guy, whoever it is, was trying to just up the ante each time, hoping to get as much money as he can. But anyway, this is Stardust by Nasser Rabadi and Langley, and yeah, this is my copy. I finally got it. Waiting a long time. I think like 2 months, but well worth the wait. Thanks, Nasser. You did a good job. Fantastic. Keep up the good work. Nasser's only 21 years old, and he's already kicking butt, creating great new comics for this generation and a new generation. So keep up the good work, man. Okay, take care. This is the unboxing of Stardust. Thanks. Bye.